Hey, what's up? It's your girl, Vakeisha Lynn, and I am standing here with the awesome Rob Cole. Is it Rob or Rob or Bob? What do you like?
It's Rob.
Rob Cole. I'm going to call you Roberto. So,
Perfect.
Roberto, why did you get into comedy?
Well, I guess I was bored. I mean, I didn't have anything to do. I think I got divorced and I was angry at my ex-wife, and I figured I'd just go on stage and crucify her. Because I'm an American. That's what we do.
That's what we do. We crucify people. All right.
That's a first, huh?
That's right. I'm a professional. All right. So, where are you from originally?
I'm from Neenah, Wisconsin, but I pretty much traveled all over the U.S. I live from coast to coast.
Oh, that's
Been all
awesome.
over,
So you've seen the sun when it's
Yeah.
not 8 feet of snow on the ground.
Exactly.
It's cold here, y'all.
Yes, it is cold. It's cold.
Okay, so is there anything, and you probably have to talk louder because that karaoke singer sucks. So, where do you see yourself in 5 years, and what do you have coming up?
Well, I can see myself just moving up, paying my dues, getting up in the ranks, getting featuring, possibly headlining. You got to pay your dues to get there. So,
Yeah, you do.
That's just the way that the game is played. Upcoming, I have a show in De Pere on March 8th at the Vroom Vroom Comedy Room. You can
How
catch
about
me
that
there.
place, George Street Cafe?
Yes, George Street Cafe. Don't miss that. Then I'll be at the Oshkosh Masonic Center on April 5th with Nate Ford, the headliner, and Brennan O'Day, the Hobbits Trail. We don't want to miss that. I'll be a guest set there, so get on board. If you're in Oshkosh, stop in and check it out. We're going to have some fun.
All right. Thank you so much, Roberto, for doing this interview with me.
You bet. Thank you.
All right. Now we're going to say bye now. All right?
Bye-bye.
Peace.
Peace.